Hey guys, and welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll show you what the Polar Breeze Portable Air Cooler is, what it offers, and how it works. So let's get started. According to the Polar Breeze website, the Polar Breeze compatible or compacts a portable air cooler that uses evaporative cooling technology, unlike a traditional air conditioner. The website says that it doesn't use a compressor or refrigerant gas. Instead, it's designed mainly to provide personal cooling in smaller spaces. According to the website, Polar Breeze features an integrated water tank and many other things. So here, the website includes all the main features that it has. You can see it all there with a brief explanation or description. So the way it works is fairly simple. According to the website, you first have to fill in the built-in reservoir with water, as in then of course an internal filter absorbs the water, and when you turn on the device, warm air is pulled through the dump filter. The evaporative of the water helps cool the air before the device blows it back to you. As simple as that. So, of course, the website here has many things like their story and stuff like that. If you want to buy it, before purchasing, first of all, you would like to take some few time or few moments to review the product's information carefully and make sure that this type of evaporative cooler fits what you're actually looking for. Do your own research and review all of the ordering terms before spending any money. If you want to buy it, of course, you'll have to click on buy now. It'll take you where you can buy it. If it's available on the stock, you will be taken where you can buy it. If it's not, you'll find yourself on this page. You'll have to wait for it until it is available again. For maintenance, of course, the website recommends periodically cleaning the water reservoir to prevent residue from building up and checking the internal filter according to the manufacturer recommendation. If you decide to order it, as an example, click on buy now. If it is in stock, they'll take you where you can buy it. And before completing any purchase, carefully check every other information that is related. It's always best to do your own research before buying anything. And if you have any questions, you can go to the bottom of the page and you will find a contact us option. You can ask whatever question that you want and reach out before ordering. So if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.